Lord Vishnu, the preserver of the universe, takes one form each time when the mankind is in danger or when evil and tyranny overpowers righteousness. Lord Vishnu and his 10 incarnations, collectively known as Dashavatar. Dasha means 10 and Avatar means incarnation. As Sri Krishna said in Bhagavad Gita, chapter number 4, Shloka 7 and 8, Yada yada hi dharmasya glanirбhavati bharata abhyutthanamdharmasya tadatmanam srijamyaham परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे. Whenever there is a decay of dharma, O Bharata, and there is rise of adharma, then I myself come forth for the protection of the good, for the destruction of the evildoers, for the establishment of dharma. I am born from age to age. Age to age. Now we will see the 10 incarnations or avatars of Lord Vishnu. Matsya. Lord Vishnu incarnated himself as a Matsya to rescue Manu, who is the first human on the earth, as well as other creatures of the earth from a great flood at the beginning of Satya Yuga. Matsya informs Manu about the coming flood and ordered him to preserve all grains, living creatures, the Vedas, and the seeds of all plants in a boat. Lord Vishnu appears as a great fish with a horn to which Manu ties the boat, which leads them into safety at the time of great flood. Kurma, the giant tortoise avatar. In Satya Yuga, when the Devas and Asuras were churning the ocean in order to get Amrita, the huge mountain Mandrachala they were using as the churning rod. But as the ocean was too deep, it started to drown, and hence Lord Vishnu took the form of a tortoise to bear the weight of the mountain. Varaha, a demon named Hiranyaksh, took the earth to the bottom of the sea in Satya Yuga. Lord Vishnu came in the form of Varaha, a wild boar, and fought with Hiranyaksh to save the earth. The battle between Varaha and Hiranyaksh lasted for 1,000 years, which finally won by Varaha. Varaha carried the earth out of the ocean between his tusks and kept the earth back to its original place in the universe. Narsimha. Hiranyakashipu, a demon, had a boon from Brahmadev that he could be killed neither by a human nor by an animal, neither inside the house nor outside, not at a day nor at night, not on earth nor in the sky, and not with any weapon. Hence Lord Vishnu took the form of half lion and half human and killed the demon at dusk with his nails on the threshold of his house, keeping the demon on his thighs, and established peace, order and dharma on the earth in Satya Yuga. Vamana. In Treta Yuga, Lord Vishnu incarnated himself as a dwarf Brahmin to end the rule of a generous demon king Bali. The demon king Bali ruled the universe and the gods lost their power. When Vamana visited the court of Bali and begged for as much land as he could cover in 3 steps, laughing at the dwarf, Bali granted the wish. The dwarf then changed his size to that of a giant. He took the whole earth with the first step and the entire Patal Lok with the second step. Bali agreed to give away his head for the third step, as he realized when it was realized that it was Lord Vishnu. He was granted moksha after Vamana stepped over Bali's head. Parshurama. Lord Vishnu took the form of a Brahmin who had to follow the dharma of both a Brahmin as well as a Kshatriya to end the tyranny of the evil Kshatriyas who misused their powers and made others' lives miserable and bring them to justice. Parshurama prayed to Lord Shiva and acquired an axe which he used to kill every evil Kshatriya on the earth 21 times over in Treta Yuga. Lord Rama. Lord Vishnu took the avatar of Lord Rama in Treta Yuga. Is one of the most significant and powerful deities of Hindu Dharma. He showed the world that the good prevail over the evil by defeating demon king Ravana. After a fierce battle to end his terrorizing rule and free his wife Sita from whom Ravana had kidnapped. Lord Krishna. Lord Vishnu incarnated himself as Lord Krishna in the Dwapar Yuga for two significant events. In the first, Lord Krishna defeated his evil maternal uncle Kans to end his tyranny. And in the second, he was the mentor of the Pandavas during the Battle of Kurukshetra, the charioteer and guide of Arjuna in Mahabharata by giving him lessons of Bhagavad Gita. His mission was not only to destroy the evil but also to give the teachings to the people about true dharma so that the true spirituality is understood by the people of the age by giving Bhagavad Gita. Gautam Buddha. When the world had lost real understanding of the scriptures, Lord Vishnu took avatar as Siddhartha Gautam in the beginning of Kali Yuga, later known as Gautam Buddha. Buddha means one who has awakened from the sleep of ignorance and achieved freedom. He left his family and all material possession in search of enlightenment. He taught people ways to end all kinds of suffering through the noble eightfold paths. Kalki. Kalki is the only avatar of Lord Vishnu that is yet to be taken. It is believed that Lord Vishnu will appear on a white horse with a mighty sword in the end of the Kali Yuga and destroy all the evil existing in mankind and defeat the demon Kali. It is also said that he ends the Kali Yuga and the entire cycle of 4 worlds will restart after Kali Yuga ends. These are the 10 avatars of Lord Vishnu. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.